Hi friends, Danni here from Danni's Dreams. Just stopping by today with a super duper quick video. I was asked to be a guest designer on the Crazy for Challenges blog, and this week the theme was a shaker card. How fun is that? I haven't made a shaker card in a long time, so I was super excited to make one. I used this stamp set from Kraftin Kimmie Stamps called Whimsical Gnomes. Good thing about this, and I will link it below, is this weekend only. I think it goes until Sunday. This stamp set is actually on sale at Kraftin Kimmie, so if you like it, I would head on over there and grab it up before it's gone. I previously used this on another card. I will link that video below. And I had colored up this little girl and the gnome and some squirrels. I ended up only using the little girl, so I already had the gnome and the squirrels already colored, so it was a quick and easy card to put together. I did keep it very simple. There's that gnome, there's one squirrel, a mushroom, and then on the inside I put another little squirrel and your one-of-a-kind gnome. And I don't know about you, but when I make a shaker, what's the thing you like to do but to shake it? My friend Alicia from Call Me Crafty Al had gifted me some of these little micro seed beads. I don't know if you can see how tiny they are. This was my first time using them, and I really like how they work in the shaker cards. I'm hoping to be making some more of them because it was just so fun. The only non-fun part was when my cat Alyssa jumped on the table before I had it sealed, and we about had micro beads everywhere. Not so fun on that. But anyways, again, just a quick project share. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and for you to hit the subscribe button and click the bell for notifications. Until my next video, have a great day, and thanks again for stopping by. Bye.